I'm out here in the middle of the night with my Wltoys A979, one of my first RCs since I got into the hobby. Gonna do a night run with this thing. This was actually my first light mod on any vehicle. If you guys have been following me, you guys know that I put lights on every vehicle I own. Check out the lights. Boom. Check that out, man. I did this thing something like 6 years ago. Look at that. Pretty cool. All right, let's do it. Wltoys A979. See you guys on the next video. Later.